Often, people tend to think they can accomplish more in a single day than they actually can, and at the same time, they underestimate what they can achieve over the course of a year. This misjudgment of time can make it feel like there's never enough time to get things done. However, there is a way to regain control of your time and use it more effectively. Let me explain how. People tend to expect too much from one day but don't realize how much they can achieve in a year. This mistaken perception of time can make it seem like there's always a shortage of time, but there's a way to manage your time better and make it work for you. Allow me to clarify further. When people say they don't have enough time, they often mean they haven't set clear priorities. This happens when they overestimate what they can do in a single day. They might imagine themselves as super productive, waking up early, working late, and getting everything done. However, in reality, most people can't sustain such high productivity levels throughout the day. They start strong but gradually lose steam, leaving them with unfinished tasks. To overcome this, you need a system to manage your priorities effectively. One useful tool is the Eisenhower Decision Matrix. It's named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th U.S. president, who said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." This matrix helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. 1. Urgent and important. Tasks requiring immediate attention, like deadlines or emergencies. 2. Important but not urgent. Tasks that are significant but can be planned for, such as long-term projects or goal setting. 3. Urgent but not important. Tasks that seem urgent but don't contribute to long-term goals like interruptions or excessive emails. 4. Neither urgent nor important. Tasks that can be postponed or eliminated, like mindlessly scrolling on social media. Many people spend too much time in the bottom 2 quadrants, doing tasks that aren't crucial. Effective time management involves focusing on the top 2 quadrants, especially the urgent and important tasks. A practical approach is to use a whiteboard with post-it notes to track your tasks within these quadrants. To differentiate between what's urgent and important versus what's urgent but not important, ask yourself if someone else can handle the task. If it's delegable, train someone or automate the process. Additionally, remember that life is a marathon, not a sprint. To avoid underestimating what you can achieve in a year, implement daily habits and systems. Small, consistent efforts add up over time, creating substantial progress. Building good habits, like reading a few pages each day, can help you achieve long-term goals. In summary, don't overestimate daily productivity and prioritize tasks using the Eisenhower Decision Matrix. Focus on what's both urgent and important, and build habits to achieve your yearly goals. This approach will help you make the most of your time. Thanks for spending some time with us today. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!